Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I shoot my self-portraits that I post on my Instagram. Alright, so as for what you're going to be needing for your pictures is your phone and whatever app works with your camera, the wireless connection. I'll link down below the one that I used. You're also going to need a tripod or somewhere to stand your camera. And obviously you're gonna need a camera. I'm using the 80D and with the 24mm lens, but anything you have will work. I'm also gonna be using natural sunlight from these windows over here, and I'm gonna have one light setup also to go onto the other side of my face, but for the most part, that's everything you need. Anything else is up to you. I set up my studio space. It's just gonna be this plant, white backdrop, and I have a bench. I picked all my props out, so that's ready to go, and I just have to change, and then I'll meet you back here. To connect my camera to my phone, I downloaded this app called Canon Camera, and this is the first screen you see. Obviously, this only works with Canon. Some other brands do have wireless connections, but this is the one I have. So you go to Easy Connection Guide, and then you turn on your camera. I go to Menu and over to Wireless Communication Settings. So mine is enabled, just make sure that's enabled. So my phone is already paired with this, so it says the camera. I just press it and then it tells me like the steps on how to do it. And then once you have it connected already, I don't have to go through all of this every time. All I have to do is go to my Wi-Fi, and then it comes out as a network. I press it and it connects. So there I have a little check mark, it's ready to go. Now I go back to the app. Now it says images on camera and remote live view shooting, so that's what I'm going to click. And right now I'm seeing the same thing that my camera is seeing, and I'll bring up all my brightness so I can see everything, but I'm seeing everything. So if I move my camera, my phone is going to move too. And then all your settings on your camera are also here. So I have my one light set up over here. I'm going to put it where it's hitting me directly here. I have my plant over here, and then I have my phone that gives me the camera right here. So I'm going to take one test shot just to make sure that it is going off. So always make sure your pictures are in focus, that's a big one, by clicking on the screen. I like to shoot with self-timer because it makes it easier for me to put my phone down and then pose. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed. You definitely have to try these at home. Super easy, super fast, super fun. And you could get creative. You can check out my video that I did a few weeks ago about how to set up a studio at home on a budget. I'll link that down below. But yeah, let me know if you try it.